Hello, this is Jay here. What if I told you there is a crypto project that's not just fast, but faster than most blockchains on the planet, backed by enterprise giants and using a tech model unlike anything else out there? In this video, we diving into the native token of this project. Why isn't it just another coin? It's a whole new layer of trust, speed, and scale in a world of decentralized tech. All my videos are for entertainment or educational purposes only. Hey, something else for you. Want to crush it in digital marketing, content creation, or business? Head to startyourcourse.com. Expert lead courses for under $30. Buy once, download, keep forever, and learn anytime. Start your success today. All right, quick overview. Let's see here. If we could browse, most of the courses are under $30. You could make a search, for instance, I would say Facebook, and gives you every course they have about Facebook. Same thing for YouTube. If you type Google and business and so forth, startyourcourse.com. Let's break it down here. As you know already, gotta give you a quick update about the entire crypto market. Check out the total market cap and all that good stuff. Let's go. Yeah. What we got going on for today? Total market cap is $3.38 trillion. The market is up by 1.78%. 24 hours value is $109.12 billion, and 24 hours value is up by 26.59%. Bitcoin always dominates the market, which is a good thing. Bitcoin is currently trading close to $109,000. 24 hours value is up by 2.14%. 7 days is up by 4.15%, and total market cap is a little over $2.2 trillion. And 24 hours value is $51.3 billion. Ethereum is currently trading close to $2,600, and 24 hours is up by 2%, and 7 days is up by 1.98%, and total market cap is $312.2 billion. And 24 hours value is close to $18 billion. XRP is currently trading $2.29, and 24 hours is up by 0.31%, and 7 days is up by 6.13%. Total market cap is low over $135 billion, and 24 hours value is $2.7 billion. Cool. So it's currently trading close to $156. 24 hours is up by 0.92%. 7 days is up by 2.33%. Total market cap is close to $82 billion. And 24 hours value is a little over $3.2 billion. We got Doge doing this thing. Currently trading close to 19 cents. 24 hours is up by 0.24%. 7 days is down by 1.68%. Total market cap is close to $28 billion. And 24 hours value, a little over $909 million. All right, cool. Tron TIX currently trading close to 29 cents. 24 hours is up by 0.89%. 7 days is up by 6.94%. Total market cap is low over $27.1 billion. And 24 hours value is close to $524 million. Cardano is currently trading 68 cents. 24 hours is up by 1.07%. 7 days is up by 1.48%. Total market cap is low over $24.1 billion. And 24 hours value is $534.5 million. We got Sui, we got Chainlink, and the market basically getting back up. You could say from 24 hours, most of everything is green, and the same as well for 7 days. And that was the state of the market. And let's jump on that coin, nothing but HBAR. It's currently trading close to 18 cents, and it's up by 3.13% in a day. And total market cap is $7.44 billion. 24 hours value, $115.4 million. 24 hours value is up by 37.55%. Total supply, we got 50 billion HBAR, and max supply, same amount, and circulating supply is 42.23 billion, circulating in all of the markets. HBAR website, white paper, social media, X, Discord, and Telegram. Let's look at 7 days. June 2nd, 2025. All-time high for HBAR was 17 cents, and as you can see, dropped down here to close to 16 cents. June 5th, 2025. Went all the way up here, and it came up to a little over 17 cents, which is almost the current price. Let's look at all HBAR got on coin market cap September 30th, 2019. All-time low close to 3 cents. It went all-time high close to 5 cents until February 28, 2021. All-time high for it was close to 45 cents. Dropped down to close to 10 cents, which was May 31st, 2022. It went up close to 19 cents, which was August 31st, 2024. It kept climbing up to 40 cents, December 31st, 2024, and then dropped down here to 28 cents, which was February 28th, 2025. Since then, it's been trading close to 18 cents. All right, cool. And HBAR markets, we got Binance, Coinbase Exchange, Gate.io, Elbec, XT, Crypto.com. Everybody has it. Okay, HBAR website. A new era for Hedera, which is HBAR, announcing new ecosystem identities, leadership, collaboration. Mainnet accounts created, an open source public network governed by leading organizations, and with ecosystem built by community, the gold standard in blockchain. All this stuff that HBAR is doing, Hashgraph, consensus, decentralized, all kind of good stuff. Always take your time to go over the website so you can learn more about HBAR. That's it for the website. Let's exit out of here. HBAR Twitter page. Total followers close to 442,000 followers. Last time HBAR posted, which was about an hour ago, 5 hours ago, and they posted 4 hours ago. HBAR is pretty active on Twitter. They keeping investors, I'm one of the investors, up to date, which is good. All right, cool. Let's exit out of the Twitter. We're back on coin market cap, price performance. Past 24 hours, low close to 17 cents and high was close to 18 cents. All-time high for the past 4 years, 57 cents, and dropped down 69.12%. All-time low for the past 5 years, 1 cent. Okay. And percentage-wise, we're looking at close to 1,059%. They're doing pretty good. HBAR got any news going on here? You also have to look at that too. Last time they posted some news 17 hours ago. Hong Kong reviews BTC and ETH 3 days ago. BNB Chen launches global BNB hack for developers, which is good. And that's the end for HBAR. Let's get out of here. Exit out of the coin market cap. All right then. HBAR isn't just riding the crypto wave. It's helping shape its future with real-world use cases, lightning fast transaction, and rock-solid security. Whether you're an investor or a tech enthusiast, this is one token worth keeping on your radar. All my videos are for entertainment or educational purposes only. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts below. Do you think HBAR has what it takes to go mainstream? Until next time, stay smart, stay curious, and stay crypto ready. Bye-bye. Yeah.